Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and this is Free Watch Face Tuesday. We got a couple of nice ones for you to check out, so stay tuned. It's coming right up. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Free Watch Face Tuesday, and I got a couple of nice watch faces that I know you're gonna like. Make sure you spread the word about these watch faces right here. Now, the name of this watch face is called JK Retro LED Eco AOD 12-24 hours. Now, I'm liking this watch face. It's a retro watch face, but I like what it brings to the table. Now, in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get a simple digital look and possibly your step information. But when you cut the watch face on, I like the fact that they add some color to such a retro watch face. But what you get is digital time, the day, the date. You also come down, you got step status info, heart rate, floors climb, distance ran or walked, calories burned. You come down, you get your battery percentage. Also, you get the step count. But what I'm loving about this one is you got a little animation for your second hand that adds some character to such a retro watch face. And it is interactive. So if I tap right here on my heart rate, it will bring up my heart rate if I tap it in the right place. And I'm liking it. So if I tap on the time, it's going to bring up, of course, an alarm. So I like what this is bringing to the table. This is definitely a nice looking watch face, and you can customize the color. So if you tap right here, double tap, and it'll change the colors to 24 different colors and all. You can cycle through this for almost ever to get to the color that you want. But this one is definitely super nice. I'm thinking you're going to like this retro watch face. I say give it a try. It's free for the take-in the Gear Manager store. And you need to take heed to this. Now, they have what is called a smart message. Now, I went 7 ways to Sunday through this watch face to try to activate it. I think it activates on its own. I haven't been able to get it to come up, but if it works, it's an awesome feature. So let me know if you see this display show up on your watch face. All right, let's go on. Let's check out watch face number two. Number two is nice. This is a super casual watch face you can wear on any given occasion. Maybe not so dressy, or maybe you could get away with it, but this one is nice. Now, the name of this one is called JK Speed Watch 3D. Very nice looking watch face, and always on mode is going to pretty much look the same. It's just going to be dimmed down. This is not an interactive watch face at all, but it is a 3D watch face. It's an analog watch face as well. I'm loving the detailing of this. This definitely stands out as being somewhat of an elegant looking watch face. But here's the 3D part of it. If I can get this to continue to zoom in, check that out. This is nice, and it's free. It's definitely free in the Gear Manager store. What do you think, guys? Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you're going to go download these two watch faces. Me personally, I think they're awesome. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.